Welcome. If you are aiming to excel in application security, here are essential skills you need to master, plus a few advanced areas to stay ahead of the game. Core skills. Threat modeling. This process is like mapping out potential threats. By identifying possible vulnerabilities, you're helping prevent attacks before they happen. Secure by design. Then we have secure by design, where security becomes part of the blueprint. This approach reduces security flaws right from the initial design stage, making it easier to manage risks down the line. Secure code review. Secure code review is about catching vulnerabilities like SQL injection and weak encryption. It's a critical skill to keep security flaws from sneaking into your code. Secure Software Development Lifecycle, SDLC. The Secure SDL embeds security practices throughout development, from planning to deployment, ensuring security isn't an afterthought. SAST, DAST, and SCA. With SAST, DAST, and SCA, you are covering all angles of vulnerability testing. SAST analyzes your static code, DAST inspects it while running, and SCA scans for issues in third-party libraries. Together, they give you a full view of application security. API security. API security is crucial because APIs are a favorite target for attackers. Securing APIs involves proper authentication, rate limiting, and input validation. OWASP Top 10. The OWASP Top 10 is a must-know list. It highlights common vulnerabilities like injection and cross-site scripting, helping you avoid the biggest security traps. Git is your friend. Git is a powerful tool for tracking changes and understanding code history. In security, Git helps maintain code integrity and allows quick rollbacks if vulnerabilities are found. Good to have skills. Container security. As applications increasingly move to containers, container security has become essential. Knowing how to secure containers means understanding the security needs of each component, containers, images, registries, and orchestrators like Kubernetes. DevSecOps. DevSecOps is the practice of integrating security into DevOps, ensuring security is part of the entire pipeline. By automating security checks and enabling continuous monitoring, DevSecOps helps maintain security even in rapid release cycles. Cloud security. With more applications deployed in the cloud, cloud security skills are essential. This involves understanding shared responsibility models, data protection, and configuring secure cloud services across major providers like AWS, Azure, and GCP. AI security fundamentals. Lastly, AI security is an emerging field. As AI models are embedded in applications, they present unique security risks. Skills like understanding adversarial attacks, data privacy in AI, and model integrity are becoming increasingly relevant. Summary. These are the foundational skills you need to excel in application security, along with some advanced areas that will keep you ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and remember, security is a continuous journey. I hope you enjoyed the video and got a basic idea of what to learn about application security. Please like, share, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more videos on cybersecurity concepts. Thank you, and see you in the next video.